Hola, senor. Back on another video. I'm with the old brother. This is my half brother, Phil, Prince Philip.
Oh yeah, it's this way.
Anglezarke Trail. In other words, the countryside in Boughton. Isn't it, Phil?
Anglezarke.
Anglezarke. Boughton.
Boughton.
Is
yeah.
it Bolton?
Between Boughton and Charlotte.
What's this? Woodland Trail. 4 hours? That's what it says on there, 4 hours. This
Does
way.
it say 11? Does that mean 11?
Well, it says it at 11. Does that mean if you're a slow bastard, it's going to take 11? We're fucked. It's going to take us 12 then. We're old men.
It's not going to take 4 hours. Well, you can do, it depends which way you go.
Well, we'll do 2 hours time it now, and then we'll walk back.
Yeah, I'm doing a circular.
Danger, keep out of the water.
Yeah, it's a bit cave. Deep as well.
What's up? Why? What's up with water?
What?
Why are they saying that?
There's a reservoir in it. Very deep, with steep sides.
Ah, nothing to me.
Big reservoir.
Because I'm a
Well,
good
you'll find
swimmer,
out.
I am.
You'll find out because you're walking all the way around it.
Is it?
You're going all the way around it.
Elton. Fucking steep, that. Oh. Can we actually go to like shoreline a bit?
Eh?
You know, shore. Can we go to the shore? Shore, you know. Sure, we can go to the shore.
Sure you can. I'm pretty sure.
Pretty sure you can go to the shore.
Diversion. Do a bit of the quarry.
Alright. You're already falling behind.
That's the fucking standard, that, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know if I've said, but we climbed Mount.
Get distracted very easily, John. You know that.
I know, yeah. We did Ben Nevis in April last year, and Christ, it was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life.
What?
Ben Nevis last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was easy.
Oh yeah, fucking hell.
It was easy if you're.
Like 10 mile. It's a 10 mile hike all the way up to like top and down, like and back, but weather was just fucking hell madness. Wasn't it bad?
It's atrocious.
Is it where you see all
You should have had that. You should have had that for that trip. That would have been nice to look back at. That would have been a nice way of being able to say to ourselves, nah, we're not doing that again.
It was crazy, that weather way back down it. Fucking hell. I've never been in weather like that in my life. It was just like an hurricane, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was blizzard conditions. It was rotten.
Yeah. There were still people going up though, is it like that? That's what got me.
I know it got me, you know.
Fucking lashing down rain, wind were like for fucking 60 mile an hour. And there's people going past you going, good morning. What? What's good of it?
There wasn't many turning back, was there? You know what I mean?
All I can think of is they were like on a mission, you know, to get it done, because they had another one for do say a couple of days later.
Yeah.
Like 3 peaks they were doing or whatever.
We couldn't even do it, could we? We got to the pinnacle at the end, haven't we? That was just. Once she was at the top, she was at the top, and that was it. There's no carrying on, was there?
Oh. It was. Did you see that though? Outside of it? Why? Like, did you see that part of Ben Nevis when we went to? If you're going to the top, on your left, there was like just a pure chasm drop, like.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Fucking hell, it was like.
Not too really. I think I was too involved with trying to keep alive.
Splendid. I'm hoping to see plenty birds, you know what I mean? Wink wink. Plenty birds. There's plenty of birds about up here. Have you not got the binoculars?
No. Yeah.
Damn.
I've got a binocular.
Oh, look at that. Look at cliff face. What are you calling me cliff face for?
No Florida.
Yeah. Quarried. Bit of a drop, that, innit? Up there, sheer fucking drop. Well, that's what it was like at Ben Nevis.
Ooh, what's that then?
Seems like something on cliff, that, yeah. It's up there. You see it, bushes moving.
It's a nest, isn't it? The fledglings, aren't they? Also, she's just feeding me all the time.
I'm being fed. Hey, look. Danger, Will Robinson. I mean, fuck out. If you're a good swimmer, I mean, obviously, people who can't swim, they're gonna know not to go fucking near water. Right, we had to turn camera off then because we've just climbed a bit of an hill and just got our breath back. Is that right, Phil?
Just.
Jesus. Is this first time I've ever done this? Here, I didn't even know it existed. You know what I mean? Not a big adventure out it will, me. That's what the problem is. That's going to change that. No, I've been up river, like, you know, where Castle's and that, that's all I used to go. I've never found these walks.
There's quite a few.
Yeah. Oh, fucking hell, Spencer would love it up here. Look at that bridge wobbling. Look, there's a troll under here. Who's that clip crapping over my bridge? Hey? What are you doing? Are you going in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got some photos from some bits of videos off Ben Nevis, you know.
Yeah, I've got some, but it's only early on. After that, it's all well sketchy. Gee, honestly,
So
I couldn't even get to my bag to get it to ring.
yeah, it were. I mean,
all that food in my rucksack. Couldn't get to it.
Yeah, it
The
weren't.
wind was blowing that hard, and my fingers were that icy. I couldn't even operate the zip.
It weren't really that cold, were it? But
Well, it was freezing.
just annoying.
Totally the wrong gear.
Because every time I wanted something, take me bag out to maybe or Sean, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get me water for me and do this for it. Wow, it's a decent view, all that. Isn't it?
It's nice up here.
I don't think you'd be able to see fuck all in summer though, because all trees, leaves would be on trees.
Yeah,
Like,
it's, yeah.
pretty blocked out, but now it's like, looking out, it's saying that.
It's just on the doorstep, mate.
It just looks pretty bird, doesn't it? There's one tree there now. This will build an appetite up. Oh dear. Bit moody there. You think we get down there?
Nah, I've tried it, mate.
Where?
Well, you get down there, probably. Oh no, there's nothing, it's all fenced off, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, I've tried it over in the past. You're alright when you go over there, get closer over there.
It looks like a bit of a drop off, don't it there? Oh, I'm gonna go. Oh, it looks steps, like steps. Yeah, well, it looks like, you know, just. Fucking hell, my eyes are watering, it's cold. Oh! Whoa! Oh, it's a beautiful view. Gonna have to come back here in summertime and have a wee dip. I'd go in now though, you know, but I've no towel, you know what I mean? Sweet. Probably right, might have had it then as well. Probably because it's like dangerous for kids, isn't it, if they go in. Fucking massive, isn't it? Massive. It's a bit steep. And the wind cuts right through you, there's no place for the old.
Look, take that other route, that's where you come out here.
Oh yeah. I'm with Juz, I'm with you. Promised me Broadway was waiting for me. A babbling brook. Have a look, it's a babbling brook. Are you going to see Maria after? Huh? Robbie Williams?
He acts as a monkey, he acts as a chimpanzee all the way through it. He's actually a chimpanzee.
I watched that
chimpanzee with his voice.
I watched that documentary about his life.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
No.
It's alright, that.
It's fun. Really good. It's all about his demons and stuff. Suffering demons while he's on stage.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what he says in that. Woo! Basically, you're screwed for content, like in a place like this, because there's nothing really to see except babbling brooks, trees, mud, and Phil. Oh shit. Oh, the oh. Huffing and puffing. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, I don't know if you can see it on here. Yeah, it stopped up there, hasn't it? A deer. It's a massive one that was, wasn't it? Massive deer just went rambling across there.
See it there?
Oh yeah, spotted us on it.
Big as well. Get plenty of venison off that. Eh?
Get your bow and arrow out, lad.
Go on, give me your buttons.
I think we were just a bit noisy, weren't we? And it did one. Oh dear. That was a deer. Deary me. La vue is spectacular. Spectacular. Still plenty of freaking snow up here. Yikes. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna effing fall. I can sense it. This is gash. It's a good walk because all I'm doing is keeping fit. Got to keep the old body fit. Fit body, healthy mind and all that garb. gate. Back into the bush. Well, go up on me, quite nuts. It's a fill. It's nasty. Jesus, wet, this is terrible. I've done nothing but complain. Hey, bugger, Anna. Got them all. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Muddy there. Oh shit. What's happened to that pet? I bet they took that bridge away here.
Looks like it, doesn't it? Probably washed away, hasn't it?
Oh, great stuff. Bloody bastards. Yikes. Oh. Oh, whoa. Almost then. Yeah, keep trying, Rivington. Oh, it's so pretty. A glorious little nature walk under the bridge. Can see. Oh, yeah. And down to the lake. Beautiful. Nature walks. You've got to love them. Takes your mind off a lot of shit what's happening anyway. You know, grooming gangs. Makes me sick, that. Hopefully they all get banged away along with this government.
Oh.
No, it's alright, mate. I've got some food in bag, like I thought we were going further away from home, but we'll be alright.
Huh?
I thought I was going further.
What do you mean?
You know, like Malham or something like that.
Oh, right. Oh.
Yeah, so I thought, that's why I just thought I'd get myself up.
It's gonna be shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Hey, this is fucking brilliant. Well, yeah, so I just want to go for a walk. You get it when you get home. You got gym, and then when I come home, I find myself doing jobs at the house now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Keeping it tidy and washing everything up and making sure everything's right, because rest of the time I'm really just sitting down. Like,
I've got work coming on fucking sign up after that pair of trips.
I know.
Fucking
And you realise how bad that is. When you work, you realise, you know, when you work and you do that as well, you come home and you have to fucking tidy up after you.
I've ended up with mum and dad's job. I'm doing mum and dad's job, mate. She's just she's got out of it like that. She fucking annoys me. So fucking mad with me now. So I fucking stare at her dad's. It's all cooking for her and everything.
He does all cooking for her.
Cooks for her and everything. You know, last week?
She had a fucking life of Raleigh, hasn't she?
She has. She fucking that really has. One back of me as well.
That's a good view there, isn't it, to that? Looks like it's...
It's pretty shallow.
Yeah, look at it. Massive island there.
She goes drinking in that fucking wheat chief in Atherton now.
Does she?
In Anglezarke. You know, because he owns it.
Oh yeah.
I think I'll go on sometime.
Just go in and pour a fucking pint of beer overhead.
She's just making new connections, that's all she's doing. But anyway, she had a car. I actually passed her on the way there myself.
This is family problems, by the way.
You know what she did, the dickhead? She got pissed. Driven a car home to her dad's.
Oh,
They
naughty, naughty.
smashed into 3 fucking cars outside her dad's house.
She smashed into
It's
3
all-
cars.
It's all cameraed up, so there's fucking...
Oh, they've called her for it then.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh, good.
The dad paid for
That's
all that.
consequences, that,
She
Phil.
could have got done that, mate.
That's taking accountability now for your actions. You're a fucking idiot. Yeah. I think God's done you a favour.
Well, the amount of time you fucking bladdered. Can't fucking tells you. She couldn't even walk.
Yeah, Wendy. What have you done? What have you done? Deluded woman. Absolutely deluded. I mean, imagine thinking some young buck from Tunisia is chasing round after you. A 53-year-old woman. Sad. It's very sad. There you go. That's life. Karma's a bitch. You got the flood barriers on there. E.P. Waterman's cottage. Imagine living here on your own out in the freaking wilds. I could do with a paint job. There's one thing though, you won't have noisy neighbours, eh, Phil? No, they've not got noisy neighbours, eh? Wicked. Well, this is typical. We walked all the way around here. Freaking road's closed. Because there's men actually at work. Damn it. What are we going to do, bro? We're screwed. Don't tell me I have to walk all the way back round there.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Unless there is the way that way there. I think there is a way around. You come through a little village up there.
Let's do it then. Let's do that. Right, it's fucking, I'm not walking all the way back round there. I'm not happy about that at all.
There must be a path that leads you to that top. Way.
Yeah, there's got to be a way just round that. I mean, what are they doing there? Just that little bit, and they've closed fucking everything off. Gobshites. They're even doing roadworks up here, aren't they? Like, even stopping people up here.
Best time of year to do it, though, isn't it?
I know, but have you seen out roadworks lately?
It's like fucking...
I think there's a conspiracy, me. Like, they're making all.
It is, but it is.
They're trying to stress us all out,
does,
like.
Yeah, it does seem as if they do it on purpose, because you can have, like,
Phil's new car,
have it in Tilsley.
the old
Well,
Mini.
especially Tilsley, there's only one way in, one way out, really. Isn't there? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Got go faster stripes on it.
Road in and out, road route.
That's what I'm saying. When it's like rush hour, you know, everybody's coming home from work or going work in the morning, it's an absolute nightmare. Thankfully, I don't have to put up with that anymore.
I
We're carrying out some work.
This one must be the route round.
Yeah, we'll try going this way. Now.
I've done the other one, but
Well, it gets better. That road we was on, it was leading nowhere. So now we've decided to cut across some fields. Shit. It's his fault. It is. You gotta blame somebody. Fuck's sake, oh my god, what was the gate there? Well, we are in a pickle. We're not too far from civilization, so it's not too bad. I hope Farmer doesn't set dogs on us. What if Farmer sets dogs on us? He'll eat Phil first, they'll have him first. Beat him over the head. With what? I don't know. My knob. Oh man, what the fuck are we doing? The thing is though, the river's there. And we've got to somehow get across that river. What the fuck was that? So we need a bridge. And if there's no bridge, we're screwed. Because everywhere's sodden. Sodden. Can you give us a bridge? Do you know there's a bridge? A stony bridge. We're out in the middle of nowhere. And I'm starting to panic. What the clay pigeon. Hey, you know we're in the path of clay pigeon shooting. We're gonna get shot. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it there. You mean where that? Yeah, some there. Well, that's a full, isn't it? Yeah. Bad shot. Missed it.
So we're safe round here then?
Well, unless you hear someone shout, "Pull!" Then I think we'd be alright.
Is that a bridge there? Or is it just a fence?
That's what I'm looking at.
No, it's all fenced off here.
Well, if we can get across, we'll have to climb it somehow. Are we having a look at what?
I think it's the only way in and out. There's a gate over there.
Where?
Over there.
We spotted another one. Oh my god, is this marshy?
Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake, man.
Going on that far. Look at them llamas. Look at them.
What?
Faster them. I'm not going in that fucking field.
Oh yeah. Now we're going to get bogged down, aren't we? We're going to have to send for the Coast Guard.
Buy you the coat. I think there's a little village up there. That's in your place. That's where our toilet went.
Well, this has turned out bollocks, hasn't it? Oops.
Well,
Yeah, some here.
There's a full in there. Another full one.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
A dead body over there though.
Well, is he blind? We're in a pickle. A bloody pickle. And why am I talking like a Scottish person? I couldn't tell you. Oh Lord, get us out of this.
Alright.
Yeah, I know.
It's alright.
I know.
I
I just like drama.
Have you a bit of that snug? You know that.
Well, we found our bridge.
Shit, that's lovely.
We was up there. God was kind to us. And the road's just up there. Back to civilization. I can't see them deer now. I was too late getting my camera out, and there was just a couple of deer, and they just bolted it across field, and then they ran up there. To the top of the hill, they were like whippets.
If you can't make their way out up there, they just going to come back up there, they just keep circling until they can find a spot.
Yeah, they've gone there, haven't they? You don't know how far that field goes back over there. Been a bit of an adventure.
Big moles right there. Big moles.
Massive, haven't they? Big as dogs. Well, definitely had me fresh air today. Get on my chair, I'll be asleep in 10 minutes.
I just want to move me. Right, you better not.
I think this gate's open as well.
Is this the road here?
Yeah. Oh, hang on. I thought it was. I'm sure that car was going past here.
Where's the road?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Holy moly, saved.
See what I need to find out here now.
Where we are.
Oh, oh.
Which way is it then?
There's a little village down there. Oh, it's over there, look. It's nice actually.
You do know where you're going now then?
No. It's the first on me. I've been on this road loads of times. So this is heading back now to that bridge we could pass.
Little outs. Look at this. Phil seems to think we're not lost. You know, if someone's body's close by, they've give up, haven't they? They've got lost and they just give up. I'm starting to get a little bit tired. We just seem to be trudging across fields, and yeah, this is supposed to be a public footpath. I'm like, whatever. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, it's certainly a path. But where to, we do not know. I shake my head in disgust. Oh, I can hear Phil panting. Jesus Christ, what?
It gets better.
Whoa.
Just a straightforward path.
We have a sign.
That's where we're ending up. So I'm glad we've done this, mate. Because I've never done it before.
Public space. It's a shed, public space.
Oh, here it is. This is what I was telling you about. Here, Nab.
Are we back up right path?
No, this is the mountain biking route up here.
All right.
I've never been on it. So that's really Nab.
Oh, it certainly is.
But if you get up to, once you get to the top of here, it's got to be a left turn.
Left turn, Clyde.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, wish us luck. Trapped here, you mean? Left turn.
Is it? Try that.
Or well, it looks a bit more or less of a gradient, doesn't it? What we're looking for?
The reservoir. It was that before.
That path, what was going round it?
Yeah. We're after the path on the other side of the bridge that we couldn't get across.
Wouldn't be so bad if it weren't so squelchy.
That gets alright there.
Oh yeah. Although that looks more like the path we were on. Okay. There's a big hole.
Okay. It's a proper path there then.
Yeah. Which way though?
Well, that's
Right.
the way.
Or left?
Well, I'm hoping to get up there, but we're not that far off. Look at that. This is fucking amazing.
You're alright now. Well, it's looking familiar to Phil because he's been here before. I haven't. Chopper's out for us.
Nope, it's not a woke helicopter. There are a couple of chaps walking across desiccated ground.
If it circles back right, we're in trouble. Been a long walk this. Ready for some grub and a wee drink.
Doing it, doesn't it?
We're lost. We're lost in the woods. We're lost on the moors. And it's going to get dark soon. Yeah. We're going to get lost. Sorry, I'm getting deluded. I'm becoming like, what do they call it? Like I'm lost. Huh? It shows you where we are. Well, where are we now? Right, so this is that massive reservoir, isn't it?
Yeah.
So where are we now on here? Are we on trail 1 or trail 2?
Get my glasses on for this.
It should say you are here.
You are here.
I know, but you know, like a little arrow pointing,
so
you are here.
K farm. Right. You don't know which way which side you're on, do you?
No.
Which side are we on?
Wow, what a journey. Oh my god. Nearly back at car now. And my battery's nearly run out. So, thanks for watching. I just want to get home because my hands are peeing freezing. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.